Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell on Binance. First, ensure your Binance account is fully set up and verified. This crucial step protects your assets and enables full platform access. Next, you'll need to fund your account. Binance offers several convenient options, including direct bank transfers or linking a debit or credit card. Once funded, you are ready to explore the vast world of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Binance provides multiple straightforward ways to acquire crypto. The Buy with USD option allows you to directly purchase popular cryptocurrencies using your deposited fiat currency. For more flexibility, P2P trading connects you with other users to buy crypto directly from them, often with diverse payment methods. If you already hold some crypto and wish to exchange it, the Convert feature offers a quick and easy way to swap between different digital assets without complex trading interfaces. Selling your cryptocurrency on Binance is just as simple as buying. Head over to the Sell Crypto section within your account. Here, you'll select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell and specify the amount. Then, choose your desired fiat currency, such as USD, for receiving the proceeds. After reviewing all the transaction details, confirm your sale. Your funds will then be available for withdrawal to your linked bank account or other payment methods. To maximize your experience, always enable two-factor authentication for robust account security. It adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. When you're starting out, consider investing smaller amounts to familiarize yourself with market fluctuations and the platform's features. This approach helps build confidence without significant risk. Remember to stay informed and hydrated throughout your day. For great deals, including the Owala water bottle, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.